Hello, hello, hello. All right, Kizomba lovers. So, basic. However, if you're tired of dancing your basic stationary without much movement, this is the right video for you. What I'm going to show you is how to rotate your basic, the side basic. I'll show you two side basics. We'll be able to rotate them by the end of the video, and I'll explain how to rotate the stationary one as well. Enjoy the video. And so, a couple of quick things. First, let's go through our basics, the stationary as well as the side one. So when you're dancing the stationary, ladies, right foot is free, gents, the left foot is free. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. If we're dancing on slow, we definitely just create a 2 beats per step, meaning 2 on the right, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. If we would like to step on each beat, what do? Well, we add a bit more speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also create a mix between 2 quicks and 1 slow. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. Guys, the very same thing for you. Left foot is free, gents, and we go. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. Okay, so with that being said, how can we rotate the basic? Now, gents, typically that's a bit more up to you. You should be in charge when you're dancing. With that being said, we always rotate counterclock when we're dancing our Kizomba. Can we rotate to the right? Yes, we can. Should you? Well, that's a bit more of a choice based on what figures will come after your basic. With that being said, here's how we rotate. I'll start with the gentleman's part, left foot is free, and we'll go 1, 2, slow it down, 1, 2, slow it down. So as you can see, my rotations are very, very slow, very calm, without adding much speed. Another thing that I'm sure you're noticing, I'm not adding much body motion either direction. The reason for that is because I'm becoming the anchor for the person dancing with me. With that being said, I'm letting the follower express herself versus me trying to interrupt her while creating movement. So once again, rotating to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or much slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? When you're rotating, you should always think of small rotations. You should always think of the comfort of both of you without trying to whip the person. When you get more advanced, then you can for sure create different types of rotations, but you're probably watching the wrong video if you're a really advanced dancer. The next one, ladies, when you're dancing essentially around your anchor, going to your right, starting with the right foot, feel free to create a bit more motion, right? You don't need to turn quickly. It's all about feelings, it's all about softness and just creation when you're dancing Kizomba, so enjoy the dance, don't go crazy about I'm trying to turn. So if you're going to the right, action repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this is how we rotate the stationary basic. If you're an enthusiast who wants to rotate to the right, here's how we do it. Guys, left foot is free. Ideally, you have to start on the left. So what we do is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ultimately, the action does repeat. However, I can assure you, because your strongest foot, the ones that you're starting on, is your left, turning to the right may not feel as comfortable. Okay? Now, next step, side steps. So I'm going to show you two side basics. On both side basics, you'll be able to rotate. How does the side basic goes? I'm going to start with the guy's part. Okay, gents, left foot is free. And the first basic that I'm going to show you is the quicker version of it. And it goes step together, step together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can slow it down, and here's how we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, I'm doing switches. And then I'm going back to the right and doing a little bit of switches, relaxing, okay? Both are correct. It's really a matter of interpretation of the music. And the best for Kizomba is that it's all about interpreting the music your own way, right? So there's a lot of freedom versus in other styles of dancing. So guys, once again, if you're going to the left, we go quick, 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 or quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. My personal preference, yes, quick, quick, slow. I would always try to slow it down. I'm not in a hurry trying to enjoy my dance. Ladies, right foot is free. So what do? We go to the right first. So we go quick, 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 quick. You can think about every second quick as a top, right? So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now if you would like to slow it down, it works the very same way as I had described for the guys. So what do? Going to the right. If you're mirroring me, that will be your left, but make sure you go to the right. So we go quick, 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 quick. And if you would like to slow it down, you go quick, quick, slow it down, simply by transferring weight from one knee to the other, right? Just softening them, melting them, and then shifting back to the other foot, which will be your left side. All right, so how do we rotate that? Well, the very same way as if you were to dance the stationary. Being aware of relatively small steps to begin with, right? The more we travel, the less we rotate. So here's how we do it. Guys, I'm gonna start with you. Once again, you're supposed to lead the dance, so do your best to lead the dance. And if you're doing so, going to the left, you will go opening. You can see how I'm actually starting to rotate slightly to my left. Now, while rotating to my left, I'm still keeping my sternum facing my partner, right? So what I should not do is this. So I'm always related to the dancer in front of me, right? So I'll do it again. Going to my left and although curving my feet a little bit, right? My feet can always twist going to my left as well as going to the right, but I'll explain in a second why I'm avoiding curving to the right. So sternum facing my partner, gently rotating to the left, placing the feet together. My right foot typically goes in a straight line without rotation. With that being said, I'm not rotating in every step of mine. And here's why. There's a person in front of me. So on the way to the left, I can slightly curve the step without interfering with her movement. I can even shift the foot slightly behind me, right? Both are correct as long as I keep my sternum, we're dancing together. However, moving with the right foot, if I was to curve it out of her way, right? If I was to curve it behind or slightly sideways, I will be turning her to the right, okay? So with that being said, my goal is to take a step to the right. Okay, without interfering and without curving her back, because otherwise we'll always be going back and forth instead of turning that one direction. I hope that that makes sense. I will give my explanation 3 out of 10 for this particular one, but I hope you got the idea. Moral of the story is, if you're trying to turn to the left, rotate only with the left foot, right foot steps sideways. So once again, guys, we go left turn, tick, check. You can see how I'm slowing it down, and then going to the right, I'm not rotating. Check, check, I'm just dancing with her. Once again, with the left foot, I'm gonna curve a little bit out of our way, and then I'll go slowly. Good. If I would like to add it with the fast movement, with the going constantly switching, right, with the 4 quicks, I'm gonna go quick, 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 quick. As you can see, the very same concept remains. Meaning, if I'm turning to the left, only the left foot is leading. Now, guys, just to finish with your movement, ladies, 2 seconds and I will explain yours. If you're trying to rotate to the right the very same way as the stationary basic, it's simply not my preference, but you can. You will just reverse, meaning you will go basic for the guy, curve it a little bit to the right, basic to the left or side step to the left, and then curving to the right. So same concept would apply. It just doesn't feel natural to me. Ladies, it's your turn. So when you're dancing, stay closer to the guy. Okay, it's a very sensual dance. With that being said, pulling away from him won't make much sense while he's trying to create rotation, especially. So, ladies, the same concept. Right foot will be free, obviously, and I'm gonna go with the 2 quicks and slow. So I'm gonna go around him. As you can see, I'm following his curve, so I'm not trying to go away from him. I'm just joining him for the curve, and then I'm dancing softly around him. With my left foot, I will not be rotating, not that second step. Instead, I'll just step slightly offset and finish it. Because if I was to rotate to the left, I'm obviously going back to the left. Why? I'm trying to turn to the right. So once again, right step, yes, rotating, relaxing underneath. Small step, offset, tick, tick. Once again, rotating and tick, tick, boom, tick, tick. All right, guys, let's try this with music. Guys, I'm showing your step first. I'm gonna start with the stationary, and after that, I'm gonna move to rotation to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotation, 2, 3, 4. Rotation, 2. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, and slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, back to quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, you slow it down. 1, 2, you slow it down. All right, now to the side. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate. Don't. Rotation. Slow it down. 1, 2, 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 slow it down. Good. Ladies, same thing. Going to the right first. Actually, I'm gonna face you. Right foot free, stationary, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, 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 slow it down. All right, if you're dancing the side, use the right foot. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down, and so forth. Alright guys, I hope that you will find this video helpful. If you do so, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends, this will help the channel grow. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.